In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site in Framer. If you're looking to take a website offline or simply remove it from public view, following these steps will help you do just that in a quick and efficient manner. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and in the search bar, type in Framer. This should take you to the main Framer website. Once you're there, look for the option to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials. If you're a regular user, your credentials should be saved for convenience, allowing you to access your dashboard swiftly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself inside your Framer dashboard. This is the main hub where all your projects are listed. Take a moment to locate the project associated with the site you wish to unpublish. Framer usually lists all your projects neatly, so it shouldn't be too hard to find the right one. Now, once you've identified the correct project, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon next to it. This icon, often referred to as an options menu, is generally represented as three vertical dots, also known as an ellipsis. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with further options related to your project management. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Open Settings. Click on this to access the specific settings for your project. This will navigate you to a page with numerous settings options, where you can adjust various elements related to your project's configuration. As you explore the settings, look for a section often labeled as the Danger Zone, or sometimes found within the General Settings tab. This is where the more critical configurations are housed, including the option to unpublish your site. In this section, you'll see a prominent red button labeled Unpublish. It's intentionally bold and red to indicate that it's a major action, ensuring you double-check your desire to proceed. Now that you've located the Unpublish button, go ahead and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to verify your choice, as unpublishing your site will remove it from public access. Confirm your decision, and with that, your site will be successfully unpublished. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward process to unpublish your site on Framer. Whether you're making updates, taking a pause, or permanently going offline, this process will ensure your site is no longer visible to the public. If you've followed along, your site should now be successfully unpublished. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Framer projects with ease.